Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 60 SE NXTpaper, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, you will want to open up your settings, and from here scroll all the way down to System, which is the last option, and again scroll down and you will find Reset Options, and in here you want to select Erase All Data, Factory Reset. When you do, this will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and basically all user data. If you have anything on your phone that you'd like to preserve, make a backup copy of it before you go any further. And I recommend doing a copy to your computer without using any kind of programs or cloud backing up, as usually that just kind of limits the restore options. Well, if you do it manually to your computer, you can restore it to literally anything that you want. Anyway, I don't have anything here that I want to back up, so I'm going to say erase all data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you need to confirm it. And then you can select erase all data second time. Now this will begin factory resetting your device, and this process will probably take up to 2-3 minutes or so to finish up, and once it's completed we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.